it's Kiara here at the Jack Bradley Agency. I am sitting down today with Luanne Cunningham from the Food Factory. We're going to talk a little bit today about Thanksgiving week and what it looks like for her, and hopefully give you guys an invitation to come try it if you haven't. So, Luanne, how long have you owned the Food Factory?
Going on 6 years now, Stuart and I have.
I did not realize
In
it's been
August.
6 years. That's awesome. Good deal. So, how did you get started with Food Factory? And just kind of tell me the backstory of it.
Okay. I'm a retired teacher, 39 years. I've been at the restaurant for 16 years when Greg Crow and his family owned it. Didn't know anything about catering. I had waitressed in high school and college. He closed it and sold it to another lady. Well, her name was Tanya, and she sold it, and she was going to close. And I'd written all my customers. I'd been a waitress there and catered, and I'd written all my customers goodbye the day she was closing. I had one customer, did not even know their name, had me sit down with him, and he said, "I know you love this place, you love the people, you love the community, and I would like to back you if you would like to buy it." I said, "I don't know anything about a business." I said, "I'm a teacher. I can give you tea and I can talk to you. However, I don't think I know the ins and outs of a business." Well, by 3 o'clock, we prayed about it. I'd called Stuart, said, "You think we can do this?" I was still teaching at the time. And at 3 o'clock, it was a done deal.
I didn't know that, Luanne. That's a really cool story.
I don't even know the customer's name
Hey.
at that time. But the good thing about it, that was in August, and did not have to take any money from him because I'd already been booking caterings. I was going to keep catering somehow. I didn't know how, but the Lord just took care of us.
That is such a what a little angel in disguise. That's absolutely so cool, Luanne. That's awesome. So you guys are typically only open on Sundays.
Only open on Sunday, 10:30 to 2.
Okay, that's awesome. So I do know y'all are booming on Sundays when I drive through here. It is.
I have really been blessed. It's down the line. I have people call and say, "Oh, we drove by and we wouldn't come in." I said, "Please come in." I said, "The wait is only like 10 or 15 minutes.
That's awesome. That is so good. So, and it's buffet style.
It
still
is buffet.
Correct?
Okay. All you can eat for $13.
Wow,
that's the kicker, I think, the $13. And I hope we can keep it that low.
Absolutely. That's amazing. Well, I can test. Luanne caters to Kiwanis every week. And I love me some chicken tenders, and we just had some delicious turkey this past week. So I can attest to that. So we'll jump into that. And so what does Thanksgiving week look like for you? I know you guys are open on Thanksgiving. So if you'll just give us a rundown of the hours, maybe the menu and all that good
stuff. Same hours, 10:30 to 2. We won't get out of there at 2 because I'm not going to turn anybody away. That's the thing, that there's not no in my vocabulary. I think we have pushing 300 plus reservations for Thursday. Wow. And we're going to make it happen. Everybody that calls, I don't want to say no. I just say, please be patient with us. There might be a little wait.
Yes. I love that.
But we've done catering. This past week, I think we sent out about 25. Either people pick up or we actually do full catering. I've fed all of City Plumbing and Clayton, Cornelia, and Cleveland. So a lot of businesses are taking care of their employees, and that's where the catering comes in.
That's super cool, and that's awesome. So on Thanksgiving, is it buffet style that day as well?
It is buffet style, but I'm also offering any to-go packages. I think I have 30 to-go meals. I have a family of 10 that's on this, and it's also on my Facebook page and web page that they can choose between turkey or ham. Comes with dressing and gravy, 2 sides, rolls, apple pie or pumpkin pie or pecan pie for $169. Feeds 10 people. So I have probably about 15 of those, and then other people, like today I have a lady picking up just a pan of dressing. So we whatever anybody wants, we try to make it happen.
That's amazing. Wow, that is making me hungry. That's a great deal. So you said that people have made reservations already for Thursday. Do you encourage that, or is walk-in welcome? Or
walk-in is absolutely welcome.
Good deal.
And I just keep telling the people that do have the reservations, please just be patient with us. The price on Thanksgiving meal is $16. So we will be offering a little bit more And then, to have my staff come in on a holiday and be away from their family, I need to take care of them.
That's so
So I have an amazing staff. My cook is Deborah Gonzalez. She's been cooking since, story I hear, is 14 years. Since she was 14 years old, she used to work at the steakhouse.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
So she puts a lot of TLC in her cooking. She won't give you a recipe, and I just have to kind of watch and see what she puts in.
Those are the best.
A lot
meals.
of TLC.
That's awesome. So I know you said that you want to give your employees just a little extra love since they're working on Thanksgiving. So what would you say makes celebrating Thanksgiving at the Food Factory special for everyone?
I just think all the extended families that come, and seeing people that they've not seen in a while. They don't have to go home and they don't have to cook it. They don't have to buy it. They don't have to clean up.
Yes.
We'll take care of all of that. And just so many options that they're getting. One thing, my mother-in-law is coming. She's the best cook, Luanne Cunningham. She is coming to teach us how to make chocolate pie.
Ooh.
That is Stuart, my husband's favorite. And I always say, make him that for his birthday.
Yes.
So she's coming to teach us that. And she told me that the recipe that she uses is over 150 years old, and that she got it out of a book, Margaret Mitchell, and from Gone with the Wind.
Oh,
so I'm looking. Gosh. She's coming Monday to teach us. So
I'm so excited.
The chocolate pies will be on the bar.
Oh, I don't know.
If we don't eat them all first.
I was going to say, I might have to forego my Thanksgiving dinner to the Food Factory. I love a chocolate pie. Well, Luanne, thank you so much. We really just wanted to spotlight you. We love the Food Factory, and we're thankful for everything that you do for us and the community. And we just invite you all to come out, come to the Food Factory if you can. Stroll downtown Cornelia. There's so much here that no one knows is here. And we hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.